They'll never say it directly. But the more you grow, the more isolated you'll feel. Not because you're broken, not because you're failing, but because you're finally stepping away from the noise. They won't follow you into silence. They won't chase you into clarity. They'll stay where it's familiar, where it's safe, where nobody questions the mask. But you always knew something didn't fit. The laughter felt forced, the conversations felt hollow, the routines felt like a soft prison. And you tried to explain it, to share your shift, to bring them with you. But they didn't want the truth, they wanted comfort. So you had a choice: stay soft so they'd stay close, or become sharp and walk alone. And you chose the path of the predator. Now the silence feels heavy, the mornings feel cold. There are no cheers, no claps, no validation. And doubt whispers, was this the right path? Is clarity worth the loneliness? Let me make it clear, yes. Because while they chase connection, you chase alignment. While they seek acceptance, you seek evolution. They still perform, you've chosen presence. They still obey, you've chosen freedom. And that's why it feels lonely, because truth has no crowd. Discipline doesn't draw applause. And real awakening, it scares people. They liked you better when you were unsure, when you asked for their opinion, when you watered yourself down just to belong. But you've tasted your own mind now. You've seen your own strength. And once that fire lights, you can't go back to small. So let the loneliness shape you. Let the quiet sharpen you. Let the silence teach you what noise never could. Because this path, this predator's path, isn't meant for many. It's carved for the few, the clear, the unshakable, the ones who'd rather lose the world than lose themselves. You don't feel alone because you're lost. You feel alone because you're becoming. And soon you'll realize you were never truly alone. You were just ahead. You were never without a tribe. You were just meant to lead it. The others, they'll wake up eventually. And when they do, they'll look for a path, for a voice, for a sign that they're not crazy. And they'll find you sharp, disciplined, untamed. Not because you waited, but because you kept walking. That's the way of the wolf. We walk alone, not to escape others, but to meet ourselves fully. So if it's quiet now, if it's cold, if no one claps for you, supports you, or sees your work, good. That means you're exactly where you're meant to be. Like if the silence has been louder than any crowd. Comment, I walk alone, if this path is yours too. Share with someone struggling to stay sharp in a soft world. Read The Wolf, How to Awaken the Predator Within. This isn't motivation. It's the reminder that solitude was never a punishment. It was the proof that you're awake. Welcome back, Wolf.